Today, I'm going to teach you how to do this mini semicircular wall hanging. It's super cute and it's quick. For this wall hanging, you will need to know how to do the lark's head knot, the reverse lark's head knot, and the double half hitch knot, also known as the clove hitch. If you're unfamiliar with these knots, then please watch my tutorials on them. I will put the links below in the description, or you can click on one of the cards that are showing right now. The materials we will use in this tutorial are a 6-inch dowel, that's approximate. I'm using a piece of driftwood, and of course you can use whatever you like. You will also need 4mm strand macrame cord in whatever color you like. I love 4mm single strand cord. It looks so natural and organic. Plus, single strand cord is the easiest for combing up the fringe at the end. You will need to cut your macrame cord into 6 2-meter lengths, 4 1-meter lengths, and 14 half-meter lengths. However, with the half-meter lengths, I would wait until we get to that point in the tutorial because you may be able to use some offcuts at that point. You'll see what I mean when I get there. Keep in mind, if you use different thicknesses of cord than I am using, it will alter the lengths that you will need. Thinner cord will use less length and thicker cord will use more. Just let me know in the comments if you would like a tutorial on this topic. So now let's make our macrame. First thing we're going to do is attach 2 of the 2-meter length cords to the dowel. Make sure they're equally folded in half before you attach them. And you want them to be in the middle of the dowel. Take the first cord and put it out of the way. And now we're going to do double half hitch knots. If you want the tutorial, again, it's linked in the description below. So the first rope is the guide rope. We're going to do 1. And then another one. Now we're going to take one of the 1-meter ropes and attach it to the guide rope with a reverse lark's head knot. This is going to mimic the look of a clove hitch. And now we're going to attach this guide rope with the lark's head knot to our dowel. You go over the top, around, and through the opening that you're going to have there. Bring that nice and snug to the other lark's head knots. Now you're going to take the cord. Now you're going to go around the back of the dowel, over the top, and down through the opening. So now take another one of the 2-meter lengths of cord and attach it to the right side of your knots with the lark's head knot. Now take the right cord and put it out of the way. And now do double half hitches from the right to the left. Always make sure you do your half hitches nice and snug. Now at this point, I'm going to add another one of those 1-meter lengths with the reverse lark's head knot onto this cord. We need to do this, otherwise there's not enough knots to make the half circle go all the way around. Then continue on with a couple more double half hitches. Now at the end, we'll attach the guide rope to the dowel. Now we're going to attach another 2-meter cord on the left side, and remember to bring this right hand rope back into the project. Put the left hand cord out of the way, and then again do double half hitches from left to right. Now we're going to add another one of the 1-meter cords with the reverse lark's head knot onto the guide rope. And then finish your double half hitches for this row. Now we're going to attach that cord again to the dowel with the lark's head knot. Bring that left cord back into play. Now we're going to do one more from the right to the left. Take the right hand cord out of the way again, and then we'll do the double half hitches all the way from the right to the left. We will be adding another 1-meter cord along the way, just so you know. Now here we'll add another 1-meter cord, again with the reverse lark's head. And then finish off with the double half hitches. And now we'll attach the cord again with the lark's head to the dowel. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to trim the fringe to the length that we like. However, I'm going to do another detail after that because I like a fringe that looks really nice and full. So we're going to do another layer of fringe, but you are more than welcome to stop at this point. So I'm going to cut the fringe straight across for now, but later I'm probably going to give it a nice curve to match the semicircle. Now, of course, again, you can do whatever you want and make that fringe as long as you like. I used this comb to comb out the fringe. I accidentally lost the footage of that. But this comb is great because it has metal teeth and it's just so much easier to comb the fringe with really nice metal teeth. So as you can see, the fringe is looking a bit thin in some areas, and that's why I like to do another layer of fringe. Attach a lark's head knot with just one end of the cord. So we are going to go over, and then we're going to pull that down until the other end is just a bit longer than the fringe. It's going to become fringe as well. And then take the other end and attach it around the back. Let's make that nice. And then pull the long end over to the other side and attach it using the lark's head knot. And you want it to be just below your semicircle. This might need some length adjustment as we go. We'll see how that works out. Use your offcuts if they're long enough for this portion. Otherwise, cut the 1/2 meter lengths and then just attach them with the lark's head knot to this string. You could also do a reverse lark's head knot. It would just be a different look. Go. And now you want to cut that fringe to match the other one and then comb it out. So there you have the finished product. I think it turned out pretty cute. And you can see that the fringe has lots of thickness to it. There's no gaps. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you here again soon. Please like or subscribe to my channel or both.